What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Relentless RC Studio. And as you can see from the look of this rig, we finally got some snow here in southern Wisconsin. Got a lot of snow. So we obviously went out, took the Blizzard out, had a good time. Unfortunately, the snow is, as you can see from the back of this truck, very, 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 very slushy. So as I'll pull this off the blade right here, fortunately, it's very sloppy snow. So not ideal for the Blizzard. So as we've talked about, you know, if you guys watch my unboxing videos, which, by the way, thank you. I know a ton of you guys have. If you watch the unboxing video, I did talk about a couple things. And some of the things I talked about, let me go ahead and get these lights off, with the upgrades that I felt this truck needed in order to be more fun in the snow. So as I kind of thought, those upgrades are definitely going to be necessary with this truck. Sorry, I'm just going to turn off these lights quick. So as I anticipated, those upgrades are going to be much necessary. From the running videos, you guys will see in a second, you'll notice it's a little underpowered. There are times it struggles, and that's, like I said, slushy, kind of messy snow, really getting the grunt and the torque low end to be able to push through it. So, you know, I mean, again, when we talk about upgrading the motors, you know, the ESC to a Sabertooth, the metal tracks, honestly, I know a lot of you guys have commented in the videos that they're not needed. I disagree. I don't know exactly where you're using these, where you feel like more weight wouldn't help, but I feel like it would, especially with more powerful motors. So take a look at the running videos. Hopefully you guys like them. Again, if you like them, give me a thumbs up. If you want to type some comments in the bottom, feel free. But again, look forward to this truck, upgraded front plow blade, arm, metal tracks, and hopefully in the very near future, a Sabertooth ESC and some more power as far as the motors go. So until then, guys, enjoy the running video. Again, it's Ryan from Relentless RC Studios, where we finally got some snow today. So thanks for joining us. We'll see you soon.
So my finger got frozen.